English for daily life.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Do you like drinking coffee?
Yes, it is my favorite drink.
Do you often drink tea?
Yes, I really like green tea.
Do you enjoy reading books at the cafe?
Yes, it is a relaxing place to read.
Do you like talking with friends?
Yes, our talks are always fun.
Do you like poetry?
Yes, I sometimes write poems.
Do you enjoy pastries?
Yes, I love sweet treats.
Do you like events at the cafe?
Yes, they are usually lively and exciting.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, music makes me happy.
Do you like taking photos at the cafe?
Yes, I love capturing nice moments.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, the beach is so freeing.
Do you enjoy swimming in the sea?
Yes, the water is nice and cool.
Do you like playing beach volleyball?
Yes, it is a lot of fun.
Do you enjoy building sandcastles?
Yes, it reminds me of my childhood.
Do you like watching the sunset at the beach?
Yes, it is a beautiful sight.
Do you like eating seafood?
Yes, fresh seafood is my favorite.
Would you like to try water sports?
Yes, I really want to surf.
Do you like walking on the beach?
Yes, feeling the sand is relaxing.
Do you enjoy sailing?
Yes, exploring from a boat is fun.
Do you like having barbecues at the beach?
Yes, eating with friends is the best.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, it is a great challenge.
Do you enjoy the view from the top?
Yes, it is wonderful and majestic.
Do you like picnics in the mountains?
Yes, nature is so beautiful there.
Do you often go camping?
Yes, camping brings me closer to nature.
Do you like taking photos of the scenery?
Yes, the pictures make great memories.
Do you enjoy the fresh mountain air?
Yes, it feels refreshing.
Would you like to have a barbecue in the mountains?
Yes, good food and great views.
Do you like long walks in nature?
Yes, every step is a joy.
Do you enjoy listening to birds in the forest?
Yes, their songs are peaceful.
Do you like sharing stories by the campfire?
Yes, they create warm memories.
Do you like visiting museums?
Yes, I enjoy learning about history.
Do you appreciate art?
Yes, I find artworks fascinating.
Do you like exhibitions?
Yes, they are often very creative.
Do you often go to museums?
Not many, but each visit is special.
Do you enjoy learning about old civilizations?
Yes, I love discovering their stories.
Would you like to join a guided tour?
Yes, I want to know more about the exhibits.
Do you enjoy taking pictures in museums?
Yes, those moments are precious.
Do you like hearing stories behind each piece?
Yes, they are full of inspiration.
Would you like to attend workshops?
Yes, they are very educational and fun.
Do you believe museums help expand our knowledge?
Yes, they are treasure troves of information.
Do you like trying local food?
Yes, every dish is a new adventure.
Do you enjoy family gatherings?
Yes, it feels warm and joyful.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it relaxes me a lot.
Would you like to learn new recipes?
Yes, I always want to discover more.
Do you like tasting new meals?
Yes, each travel is a chance to learn.
Do you enjoy having dinner on a rooftop?
Yes, it is romantic with a great view.
Do you like eating desserts?
Yes, I love cakes and pastries.
Would you like to have a birthday party at a restaurant?
Yes, it would be something special.
Do you like discussing food at dinner?
Yes, food stories are always interesting.
Do you think dining helps connect people?
Yes, each meal is a chance to bond.
Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, the fresh air is so nice.
Do you like sitting on benches?
Yes, it is relaxing to watch the world go by.
Do you enjoy the flowers in the park?
Yes, they make me love nature even more.
Do you like reading outside?
Yes, it is a perfect place to get lost in a story.
Do you often do sports in the park?
Yes, outdoor exercises feel great.
Do you enjoy camping in parks?
Yes, it is a wonderful experience.
Would you like to watch concerts in parks?
Yes, live music outdoors is amazing.
Do you enjoy picnics in the park?
Yes, sharing food with friends is fun.
Do you like taking photos of the park?
Yes, the sunlight and trees are perfect for pictures.
Do you think parks are important for relaxation?
Yes, they help us find peace of mind.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, they help us find peace of mind.
Do you enjoy dancing to music?
Yes, it makes me feel free.
Do you often attend music festivals?
Yes, each one is colorful and exciting.
Would you like to meet your favorite artist?
Yes, that would be a dream come true.
Do you like playing music outside?
Yes, the outdoor atmosphere is great.
Do you enjoy discovering new bands?
Yes, I love the creativity in music.
Would you like to take photos at performances?
Yes, those moments are precious.
Do you think music connects people?
Yes, it is the language of the heart.
Do you like buying souvenirs at concerts?
Yes, I bring back great memories.
Would you like to try performing on stage?
Yes, it would be an unforgettable experience.
Do you like studying?
Yes, learning brings me joy.
Do you enjoy learning languages?
Yes, I really like English.
Do you often join classes?
Yes, each class is a chance to grow.
Do you like discussing with friends in class?
Yes, those discussions are always fun.
Would you like to try new subjects?
Yes, I want to explore different topics.
Do you enjoy group projects?
Yes, working together is fun.
Do you like attending workshops?
Yes, they are very useful and enjoyable.
Would you like to join competitions?
Yes, challenges excite me.
Do you often study in the library?
Yes, the quiet helps me focus.
Do you think learning is a lifelong journey?
Yes, every day is a new lesson.
Do you like attending birthday parties?
Yes, it is a time to meet friends.
Do you enjoy eating birthday cake?
Yes, I love sweet cakes.
Do you like organizing parties?
Yes, preparing is exciting.
Would you like to choose gifts?
Yes, picking gifts is fun.
Do you enjoy games at parties?
Yes, games bring lots of laughter.
Do you like hearing birthday wishes?
Yes, kind words warm my heart.
Would you like to dance at the party?
Yes, dancing with friends is joyful.
Do you enjoy taking pictures at the party?
Yes, those photos create wonderful memories.
Would you like to plan a surprise party?
Yes, that would be such a special moment.
Do you think birthdays are important?
Yes, they remind us to celebrate life.
Do you enjoy quiet evenings?
Yes, they help me relax and think.
Do you like stargazing?
Yes, the stars are beautiful and mysterious.
Do you enjoy watching movies at night?
Yes, it is a great way to unwind.
Do you like reading before bed?
Yes, stories help me sleep better.
Do you enjoy drinking tea at night?
Yes, tea is comforting and relaxing.
Do you like listening to music at night?
Yes, soft music is very soothing.
Do you often write in a journal?
Yes, writing helps me express my thoughts.
Would you like to light candles during the evening?
Yes, candlelight creates a warm mood.
Would you like to share memories on a night like this?
Yes, it would be a valuable time.
Do you think quiet nights are important?
Yes, they allow us to find peace in our hearts.